This is lesson 8 for Saxon 5, relationships between addition and subtraction. So when you're looking at subtraction, you're looking at something like 8 minus 3. And minus, when we're doing this, is 8 minus 3, or subtract 3, or take away 3. All different ways you could say this. When we're doing this, when we have 8 take away 3 is 5. Okay, so our relationship with addition in this case is that going this way, when you read it, it is subtraction. If I were to go the opposite way, it would be addition. So if I did 3 add 5, I would get 8. So this is the relationship between addition and subtraction. If you're going one way with subtraction, you can go the opposite way, or the inverse, with addition. Just like if you had an addition problem, 3 add 5 equals 8, you can go this way for addition and this way for subtraction. 8 minus 5 equals 3. Okay, these are the relationships between addition and subtraction. Now, when we're looking at subtraction, I just want to go over some vocab. When we're looking at subtraction, we have two numbers and then the difference. So whenever you're looking for the difference, you are subtracting, okay? And this one is called the subtrahend, and this is the minuend. So the subtrahend is always the biggest number, so we'll use that 8 again. And the minuend always has to be smaller than or equal to the subtrahend. Problem is, if it's bigger, then you are going into the negatives, and we are not doing that right now, so we can't do it. So this one either has to be equal to or less than this one when you are doing addition and subtraction with whole numbers. And then this is the difference. So again, this is the subtrahend, and this is the minuend. Okay, subtrahend, minuend, difference when you're doing a subtraction problem. When you are doing an addition problem, you have two or more numbers, and you have the addends. Remember, these are both addends, and this is the sum, is the answer. Addends and sum. Again, the relationship is that addition and subtraction are inverse of each other, which means that you can create a subtraction problem and addition problem using the same numbers. So if I have the numbers 3, 4, and 7, I could do the addition problem, 3 add 4 equals 7, or 4 add 3 equals 7. Or I could do subtraction with inverse of 7. Remember, my subtrahend needs to be biggest. Subtract the minuend of 4, or 7, subtrahend, subtract the minuend of 3, and I would get my numbers. Okay, this is the relationship between addition and subtraction. Lesson 8, Saxon 5.